Hey, Brad here from Shopacado, going over installing the volume and discount application. Here we go ahead. When you land on the application after installing, you'll land on our pricing page. I'm in build mode, so we'll just activate this charge. After approving the subscription plan pricing, we'll be directed to a screen that has us install the app in a theme. The theme we're going to do is we'll just do our live test data theme here so we can see this work. You can install this on any theme you like, any of your test themes or your live theme. So the first step we need to do is turn on the app embed block, and you can just click here to open that in the theme editor. Once you have your theme open, we'll click on the app embeds, and we'll toggle this from off to on, and that's the Shopacado discounts application. We'll save that and then return back to the application. Here we'll click refresh just so we can see that it was successfully installed. And so we're just double checking that that was installed successfully. The last step will be just syncing the theme, and that sets some metadata across the application so that information is available for our discounts. Last, we'll go back. Now that everything is installed, you'll just configure everything like you would independently now that this theme is successfully set up. So we'll just look at a test offer here so we can get an idea of what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and test. I'll go ahead and enable this offer so we can see this and set it up. Going back over to my theme editor, we're going to put that discount table onto our product page so we can see this. So when we go back over here to our product page, we'll look at the sections here and we'll add a block onto our product page. Here's our discount table that we want to put in. And here we go. Because I enabled that discount, we'll see the text here showing for this default product. And that's the discount table here. We've positioned it in the spot we want, and we can save that. We'll go back over to our live site here and just refresh, and now we should see our discount. This theme is one of the default themes at Shopify, and so we've already configured a lot of the layout. So we're going to add this to our cart. We'll see that our pop-up, our discount was buy 5 to get 5% off each. So that automatically shows up there. We're going to go ahead and add 5. Well, I added 6. So now we see our discounted price are showing in the subtotal as well. This on the side cart. If we drop this back down to 5, we'll see the same thing. And 4, we'll see that we don't get the discount. And when we go to 5, we do get the discount. That's how you get this configured and set up. You can refer to some of our other videos and help articles on how to add banners and other app blocks into your theme for additional notifications to your customers. Thanks so much.